So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to access your YouTube analytics on your YouTube Studio app. So first, you need to open your YouTube Studio app. Then you need to go to analytics. You can see down there. Now you have an interface now. First is overview. So here you can see views on your channel, and then you can see watch time on your channel that that is come that is come to your channel within the 28 days, and this is subscriber gain in the last 28 days, and this is the income from in your channel from last 28 days. So this is how you can so this is how so this is the basic information you can see in your analytics tab. When you scroll down, you can see here your top content in your YouTube Studio app, or the top video which is performed within the last 28 days, that will be seen there on top content. Then you can see real time, how much views you get in the last 48 hours. So I got 327 views in the last 48 hours, that will be shown there. So now you can swipe and you come to content part. So here you can see your content analytics, how much impression, views and click through rate you get, and everything you need to analyze your videos you get in the content tab. Again, some same features, and where your main traffic come from, you can see there everything. And then you have a audience part. You can analyze your audience, and last is revenue part. You can analyze your revenue as well. So this is how you can analyze. You can use YouTube analytics on your YouTube Studio app.